rice. Hi guys, I am making lunch because we don't have leftover last night. This is the sweet vinegar. I'm going to add some on this hot rice. And then sesame seeds. Mix it really well so the vinegar will be all over the rice. Our quick lunch. Now I'm going to use my hand, bare clean hands, to wrap some. It's easier that way, not too big. This is just like bite size. Still too big because our wrap is small. I'm just using this individual. Let's see. It's still too big. And then I will put the spam, and then what do you call this? Cream cheese. Let me try it. Yum. Cute, yeah. Then after you make it, you eat it. I'm gonna add a little bit more the sweet vinegar. And a little bit more of sesame seed. This is Chris's lunch. Easy and quick. Bon appetit, guys. Enjoy lunch.